Hello stock stalkers, welcome back. Yes, you read it right. Coming week will be very crucial, especially for DFM market. I'm expecting a correction, and in this video we will analyze the market index in detail. I'm on the weekly chart. It means we are looking at the higher time frame of DFM market index. No doubt it's in a strong bull run. We are seeing a good rally right from the bottom. From this wedge pattern onwards, upside momentum, correction, a thrust to the upside, and a continuation. As of now, looking at the last weekly candle, we can see some weakness, some selling pressure in the market. This is a negative candle. And at the same time, I have been mentioning this area that is between 5,115 and 5,190 is resistance. Previously, it tried to break out. It got rejected with this solid green candle. Last week we saw a success. Market broke above the resistance and closed higher. This was a positive sign. Still, my analysis was the same. There are chances either we may see a rejection and then it can come down, or it can continue going upside, hit this area of resistance, and then we can expect a U-turn from here, as this is a resistance area. Also at the same time, if we see at the bigger picture, we are not seeing any healthy correction as of now. Look at this area. We are just seeing a red candle after this thrust to the upside. There is no correction on the way up. Yes, we are seeing some minor pauses, but no correction. This will be healthy for the market. Reason is, after the strong move from the bottom area, if at all market corrects, this will be a good indication that it's getting ready for a higher high again. Overall, on the weekly chart, still everything is bullish. A correction is expected. Let's go down to the daily and see how the chart is looking. Market has entered a crucial zone. This is crucial zone, and right into this zone we are seeing negativity, that is two red candles back to back. Also on the way up we did not see any big candle. It's not showing strength. Instead we are just seeing small candles, dodgy candles, no big candles like this, or at least candles like this to show institutions are still holding and they are buying more quantities. Looking at the last two candles, there are very good chances either DFM market can go sideways and then move to the downside, or it can come down aggressively for a correction. I am expecting a correction till about this area, that is 4,902 points. I think slowly and steadily it will come down to hit the base, and then possibly it can resume its uptrend. Even though if it comes down for a correction, we should not take it negative. The trend will be still intact. It's just that market will go through a retracement phase, and then automatically we will see fresh buyers jumping in to pick up the stocks at lower price, and then we will see a rise again. Overall, DFM market is strong. It's very bullish. A correction is due. This is the weekly chart of ADX market index, that is Abu Dhabi Securities Exchange. Still, market is trading within this triangle pattern. It has tried multiple times to break out. It got rejected. Support is still intact. Unfortunately, market is not able to break out. We are not seeing strength. We can again mark this areas as attempt by the market to break out, but obviously it's unsuccessful. Looking at the last two weekly candles, clearly we can see negative candles. This is not positive. There are very good chances it can come down to retest this trend line. This is support. Obviously, it has also been tested multiple times. If this does not hold, then we can come down to 9,245. Hopefully we can see a bounce from here. If not, then be ready for 9,160 as I have been mentioning. Let's see how the market performs coming week. It will be very crucial for ADX market. Let's go down to daily. And here we can see solid red candle last week. This candle is not looking very good. There are chances it can come down, take a bounce, and then move up. On the daily chart, if we see here, there is a bit of congestion in this area. Right here we can see after a strong momentum we saw aggressive drop, and slowly market recovered from here. Still, market could not recover the previous high. It could not claim 9,815 area. We are still trading below this zone. Clearly its weakness. ADX market is looking a bit weaker when I compare it with DFM. But let me tell you something, very soon ADX market will outshine DFM market. Because DFM market will now go through the corrections, big stocks like Emirates and BD Bank, Emaar, DIB, Emaar Development, all the biggies will go down for a correction and we will see ADX performing better. This is the daily chart of DR Development. It's looking quite impressive. We can see after hitting the top that is around 1.03, my target that I had recommended to my members was 1.00. Resistance is right here. This is psychological and technical resistance area. It went up till about 1.03 and then we are seeing a correction. Guys, let me tell you something. Nobody can pick up exact top or exact bottom of the market. You have to trade within this zone. If at all you can capture at least 70% of the move, you can make profits. Catching the top and bottom is quite impossible. Maybe if you are lucky at times you can buy at the bottom and sell at the top. But that does not happen regularly or often. It's just by the luck. In our usual trading practice, what we do is once the move has started, we capture it somewhere around here at the time of breakout. And if at all we want to sell it, we cannot exactly pinpoint the resistance and sell here. You may exit around this zone. So even if you have captured this move, you are successful. You can make good money. Hope you understood this point. Now let's talk about DR. Last closing is very good, although it's a dodgy candle. Reason is it's above the support that is 0.925. There are very good chances from here. It may slowly continue going up. Again, it may try to hit 1.00. My next target once this resistance is taken out is at 1.07. Now the criteria is for the last 3 days it's been printing green candles. If at all it comes down to revisit 0.925, I think this should be buying opportunity because stop loss will be very small, just below the next support area that is 0.901. So if at all it continues its upside momentum, we have a good profit area and our risk is very small. So this fits perfectly fine as per our risk to reward management. At the same time, we can see a trend line that is going on right from the top. This is the first resistance area that is at around 0.977. Then we have next resistance area at around 0.948. So if we talk about the recent price action right from this point to this point, if I have to stretch a trend line, we can see a minor breakout here. Although it's indecisive, this is a dodgy candle. So my plan of action would be tomorrow if it opens flat or with a gap up, this would be my first indication. There are chances DR can slowly start performing. If at all it opens with a gap down, then I will avoid it. We can add some quantities here at the time of opening if it opens as per the plan. Majority of your quantity should be about 0.975 as this is immediate resistance area. From here we saw a drop, a recovery, and then it made a new low. So this can be a strong resistance area. On the negative side, if at all it opens with a gap down, then be ready. It can come down to visit 0.901. If this does not hold, then we have next support area at 0.836 zone. Hopefully we don't see this level coming. I want to see they are rising again to the upside. So guys, this was the update for Monday. Hit the like button if it was helpful. Thanks for watching. Keep stocking.